So, warning guys, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, YouTube, I bought the cheapest tire changer I could buy off the internet. I got this off eBay. I thought it was a Mayflower, but it ain't. I don't know how to pronounce that. We'll just call it the SBM 580. I just don't know the China words. It's a Chinese unit. But, so this unit was around $1,300. So yeah, it seems to be a pretty decent machine. I've been playing around with taking this tire off, putting it back on, taking it off, putting it back on. And I got this mostly to do like trailer tires and ATVs and side-by-sides for now. But who knows, it might make a good business. So let's break this tire down so y'all can see. And let me tell y'all again, I'm no expert at this, guys. I'm not much of a tire guy, but we'll figure it out as we go. So anyway, you go down here. I already got the valve stem out. You go down here. You pull your bead breaker out. You put it about right here. About right here. You press down the pedal. And off it goes. I'm going to do a couple spots on here. Go around to the back side. All right, we're gonna have to turn on some air. Hold on. Okay, hopefully we have enough pressure now just to break this bead. Yeah. All right. Throw it up here. Lock it down. And yeah, we then already have this kind of set up where it needs to be. And all we gotta do now is push it down. Push it down. Don't really want it riding against the tire rim, but we don't want it far away either, from what I've seen. And take this. And bring it over to the duck head. And let's do this one side. Like that. Lift up. And that's that for removing it. This is still kind of slick from, it has a bucket of the whatever, tire glide or whatever you want to call it down there. But this is still slick, so anyway. Put that here. Like that. Hit that button. Do it again. Tire here. And that's it. Raise this up. With the valve stem out, you just put this in here. Wait for that pop, which it might not do it because I don't have a air compressor hook turn on. There's one pop, goes into one other pop. And now both beads, you can put the valve stem in, fill it up, and that's pretty much all there is to that. So far, it seems like a decent machine. I'm actually running this unit off that little bitty air compressor up there, and it seems to be doing its job. So, yeah, I'm hoping it's a profitable investment for the business. Time will tell, guys. So, anyway, guys, that's it. The cheapest tire changer on eBay. I'll post a link to it down in the description. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I will see you all in the next one.